Alright, y'all, this is the last Brewster show, so seriously, if you want to sing along, this is it. Jessie is a friend. Yeah, I know he's been a good friend of mine. Lately something's changed, it ain't harder to find. Jessie's got himself a girl and I want to make her mine. And she's watching him with those eyes. And she's loving him with that body, I just know it. And he's holding her in his arms late at night. You know I wish that I had Jessie's girl. I wish that I had Jessie's girl. I played along with the charade. That didn't seem to be a reason to change. Always felt so dirty when they start talking cute. I won't tell her that I love her, but the point is probably moot. And she's watching him with those eyes. And she's loving him with that body, I just know it. And he's holding her in his arms late at night. You know I wish that I had Jessie's girl. I wish that I had Jessie's girl. Forget my new woman like that. Jessie's girl. I wish that I had Jessie's girl. Forget my new woman. Forget my new woman like that. Woo! Alright, Brewster, I've been looking all summer. I just can't find Jessie's girl. And I'm looking in the mirror all the time, wondering what she don't see in me. I've been funny, I've been cool with the lights. Ain't that the way they're supposed to